Hey, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a quick time lapse of a chainsaw, a cartoon stylized chainsaw created in Maya. So essentially this is box modeling, hard surface 3D modeling tutorial, and the full step-by-step video if you're interested in me commenting and showing you precisely what to do, for beginners or intermediate level. There's going to be a link below this one if you want to see that. But essentially, you can see from my time lapse, I just grabbed some basic primitives in Maya, and then I shaped them and adjusted them to match the reference. So I didn't really overlap the reference image to create the final result. I was more kind of eyeballing it. I just pulled it up using PureRef, and this image is from Pinterest, and I made sure to leave the credit of the artist on the image as well. Really cute little character. It actually would have been a lot of fun to do the rest of him as well. Honestly, if I would do an organic character such as this one, I would probably use ZBrush. It would actually be a lot of fun to use Maya for like hard surface chainsaw portion, and then do the organic sculpt in ZBrush and then combine the two. I think that would actually be a pretty fun experiment. But in this case, I just created the chainsaw. So on this channel, I love to create stylized art, stylized cartoon characters. If you're into that kind of thing, please consider supporting me and joining the channel. I have a couple levels of memberships, and that would actually help me tremendously to continue creating cool content. And thank you so much for watching. Please enjoy.